Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to episode 5 of Internet Made Me Buy It. So this is a series on my channel that I've been doing for over a year now, wherein I buy products that are either going viral on the internet or they're new launches. I absolutely love trying new products and thankfully you guys also really like seeing these videos. Today we're mainly going to be focusing on skincare and makeup. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so we're gonna start with skincare. We have like two skincare products. The first one is by Hyphen. It's a new launch. It's their 44% rice water brightening serum pads. So serum pads, toner pads are super popular. It's like the new skincare product. Even when I was in Korea, मैंने बहुत सारे ये देखे, but I've personally never tried. Today is the day. Oh, so it comes with a little forceps so that you don't have to actually touch the pads. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna do two today. You could totally do just one and call it a day. Basically, you just swipe this all over your face, and you can also kind of use it like a sheet mask on like targeted areas. If you have like pigmentation or dullness, you can just apply it on those patches and then let it sit for like 15 minutes. So basically, these are supposed to hydrate your skin, brighten your skin, give you that glow, and also correct dark spots and uneven skin tone. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I can totally see a little bit of a glow and my skin definitely feels a lot more hydrated, like instantly hydrated. If this works or not is something that I'm gonna have to tell you eventually, because skincare products ko test karna padta. I feel like at least for like 3 weeks. But it's definitely a very cool product. It's very fun to use, and I feel like in general, Hyphen is doing such a good job. Kudos to Kriti, kudos to the entire team. I feel like the number of launches that they do, it's insane. It's difficult to keep up with, but at the same time, all of their launches are so unique. And I'm always excited to see what they have new. So yeah, that was the first product. Oh, also something worth mentioning is that these are 100% biodegradable because they're made from bamboo shoot. The next product that we have is this one right here. So this is a rice water toner. I feel like toners and rice water are really having their moment. Now, this isn't a new launch or anything, but it's going super viral. I'm seeing a lot of people talking about this, using this. Clearly, I've also used quite a bit of it. So I have been using this since 2 months now, and I absolutely love it. Especially अगर मैं ये रात को लगा के सोती हूँ in the morning, the glow that this product gives, absolutely love it. Instantly just like hydrates your skin. ऐसा लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पी लिया and your skin is like so nice and glowy. 100% recommend trying this. A cheaper alternative would be the one from Plum. They too have a rice water toner. Now we're moving on to the really fun part for me especially, which is makeup. So here we have a primer by Kiro. Now this isn't like an ordinary primer. It's a face sculpting primer. So it's the packaging of this product that really intrigued me. So basically you twist it and then the product dispenses, and then there's a roller which you roll on your face to sculpt and prime at the same time. That rhymed. But what do I think about this product? I think the idea is genius. Such a cool concept, because I feel like a lot of people like to do like the gua sha before they start doing their makeup so that it depuffs their face. So while you're priming your face, you get to do that. I think great idea. In terms of the application, I feel like इसका जो plastic वाला part था वो मुझे थोड़ा irritate कर रहा था skin पे. The roller works really well and it does do that sculpting thing, I will say, but I feel like the plastic bit थोड़ा सा मुझे irritate हुआ. Maybe I just need to figure out how to actually use it, and maybe in 2-3 tries I'll understand how to work it. About the actual primer in here, the formula of the primer, it's not a sticky kind of a primer. Really like hydrated my skin. Let me actually put my base on quickly. I think the primer is sitting beautifully. under the makeup. I think I'm gonna give this product a thumbs up and definitely add it to my routine. The next product that we have is a new launch. It is by Tipsy Beauty and it's in collaboration with Ashi Adani, who is my friend. So of course, I really wanted to try these out and support her. So basically, these are the 3 different shades that she has worked on with Tipsy. So it has that cushion tip packaging, which is so popular. I'm gonna start off by using the contour. I'm the most excited about this. The shade actually looks good on me. Forehead पे नहीं दिख रहा है because my forehead is like 4 shades darker than the rest of my face. Time to blend. Okay, blended like seamlessly within seconds. Very pretty. So lightweight. That was so easy to blend. Okay, I really like this on me. It's very subtle, बहुत natural है. But I feel like if I want to go for that like sharp look, I could totally build it up. But I personally like this. For the blush, we have 2 shades. I'm leaning a little bit more towards this one. So the shade is called Violet Whale. This time I'm gonna try blending these out with my fingers and not a brush. Seamless. Love the shade. So pretty. I think Ashi has done such a good job with these. They look so good on my skin tone. Not just saying this because she's a friend. I feel like you guys also saw it in real time. How beautifully these blended and the shades are so pretty. Okay, so we have another blush highlighter product. So this is a new launch by Maybelline and it's called their Sun Kisser Blush Plus Highlighter. So एक ही product में दोनों चीजें मिला के है. I have actually worked with them for this campaign. This video is not sponsored by any brand, but I have to talk about this product because it's a viral new launch. And spoiler alert, it's so good. So there's a shade called Downtown Rush, which is actually my favorite shade. But today I'm using the shade called Shades On because I want that golden glow. Like, do you see that? It's so beautiful and even on bare skin it just looks so nice. Itna lightweight watery texture hai uska, almost as if like your skin drinks it up. So this is what it looks like in the sunlight, but even without the sunlight, just look at that glow. In general, I'm a big fan of Maybelline, but this product that they've created is literally magic in a bottle and I have not been able to put it down. 100% recommend trying these. The next viral new launch that we have is by Huda Beauty. It's from their Ube collection. Basically, it's a purple lavender color powder. Actually, they've also launched a blush to go along with it and also a lip gloss, but I was the most keen to try out their powder because anyway, their Easy Bake formula is so popular. I wanted to see lavender color का powder मेरे पे कैसा लगेगा on my skin tone. Here we go. So I genuinely really do like Huda Beauty products. Like most of their products I really enjoy. But ये वाले से मुझे ज़्यादा expectation नहीं है because I'm skeptical about this color looking good on my skin tone. Okay, what do we think? I feel like it doesn't look bad, but I feel like it's making me look a little bit grey and ashy. Like thoda sa mujhe lag raha hai. Because personally I prefer more yellow, warm toned powders and just products in general. So I feel like it's not bad. Like it's not looking outright weird, but I don't think it's very flattering on me. In this lighting, I feel like it looks pretty normal. I actually have one more product to put to the test so that we can actually compare. Now, this is a new powder by Swiss Beauty. Packaging काफी cute है. Okay, check this out. So, पहले there's a compact, there's a mirror, and then there's like a mattifying powder also. And then uske bhi niche there's a powder puff. I feel like this is very much inspired by the Fenty powder. Okay, here we go. काफी अच्छा coverage है ये compact का, I will say. Do you see what I mean now? ये वाला side looks better because the powder is like of a warmer shade versus this one. I hope it's not just me who can see the difference. I'm also trying the mattifying powder. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही coverage है mattifying powder में. Okay, so final verdict. I feel like I'm gonna give this one a thumbs down. Only for my skin tone. I feel like if you have a light skin tone, this would look so beautiful on you. Or actually, let me reframe. If you have a neutral or a cool undertone, I feel like this would look gorgeous on you. I personally don't love it on me. Whereas this powder, which is for 399 rupees, I think it's so cool. The packaging I love. और फिर अंदर वो जो पूरा layering mechanism है वो भी बहुत cool है. And the powder also looks quite nice. I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up for sure. I am so excited for these. So this is another Maybelline product, which I feel like isn't out there yet. But when I saw it on Nykaa, I was like, give it to me. I need to try it immediately. So basically, these are the Sky High mascaras, which is a great formulation, but we have it in blue and burgundy. So blue is a color that I feel like has been done before in mascaras. It's definitely like a very fun color. But burgundy, when I saw it, I was like, I need to immediately try it out. So today, I'm going to be trying this one out. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to keep this real time so that you guys can actually see how this looks. So Sky High mascara का formula तो insane है. Like just look at that. But I can't really see the burgundy color showing up. Maybe I'll do like another layer. Coat number 2. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I feel like it's not showing up. Like dur se it just looks like brown or like black mascara also. And even up close, it's very difficult to tell. Quickly added some burgundy eyeshadow, but even then you can't really tell that it's burgundy mascara. Conclusion is that I love the lift, love the volume, but not the color. Like it just feels like a regular mascara. But I will say the blue one does show up and the blue one looks really cool. Before I move on to the lipstick, I really want to talk about this product. So this isn't a new launch like the product, but the flavor is a new one. So this is the Indie Wiles Dewy Lip Treatment, and the flavor that I have is called Glazed Jalebi, which just sounds so good. Okay, so this smells incredible. However, do you see the actual lip balm? Like it has little glitter particles, and also it really washes me out. Like I don't like how it looks on my skin. So since the last 2 days, I've had the driest lips ever. This is what my lips look like, and I started using this lip balm. Unfortunately, it didn't do much. I feel like if you have slightly dry lips, this is really nice, very moisturizing. But then if you have extremely dry, cracked lips, this is probably not the way to go. I used the Laneige's lip sleeping mask, and that within one night just fixed my lips. So if you want to use this on a daily basis, kind of like a lip gloss, like a lip topper, I think this is nice. Not this shade, the original one. Yeah, but I wouldn't recommend it during like peak winter season. For the lips, I have these from Nykaa. So these are the super light lip cloud liquid lipsticks. So जो souffle consistency है वो बहुत ही popular है. So it's definitely very pigmented. It is very lightweight also, I will say. I would say it's very like Korean tint inspired. By the way, the shade that I'm using is called Cinnamon Swirl. I will say that it looks stunning. Like this shade with this makeup look and my skin tone, it's looking very, very nice. Quick kiss test. Didn't transfer. I'm gonna be honest, at first I was quite underwhelmed by this launch, but I do like the formula. I've always been someone who loves liquid lipsticks and I don't mind them like drying my lips out. But recently I've been really enjoying this texture, this consistency, this feeling on my lips. Thumbs up, especially to this shade right here. We're almost done with today's video. I have 2 body care products. The first one is by Plum Body Loving. They have a new launch, which is always so exciting because fragrances in general, I love. You guys know that. But they make such good fragrances. So this one is called Lily Miss Sunshine. Why did I stutter saying that? It wasn't that difficult. Lily Miss Sunshine. This is gonna be the first time that I smell it. Ooh, it's very like fresh and floral. It smells like lilies basically. Of course, the formula of these body lotions is great. Like instantly absorb ho jata hai. I hate that feeling when you have to like keep rubbing the body lotion into your skin and it still doesn't like get absorbed. This one doesn't do that. I really like the fragrance actually. I think this would make for such a nice summer fragrance. On to the last product from one of my most favorite brands, Sol de Janeiro. It was a new launch and I had to get my hands on it. I have every single variant of their body mist that is available in India. So this is Cherryosa 76. Here we go. Got a little too excited and sprayed myself in the face. Okay, so what do I think? I think it's nice, but it's not like one of my most favorite fragrances from them. This has jasmine in it, which is not my most favorite smelling thing, flower, which is probably why I don't enjoy this one as much. It's not bad by any means, but my favorite will still probably be 62 and 59. Those two are my absolute favorites. This also I will use, but I'll probably layer this with something else because jasmine is just not my thing personally. And with that, we've come towards the end of today's video. Of course, all the products that I've used and shown you guys will be linked down below, so go check it out. And also subscribe to my channel. We're so close to hitting 1 million. If you find any value in the kind of videos that I make, if they're entertaining to you, please subscribe. Also like the video and follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.